How to delete Pinterest account. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to delete Pinterest account. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Pinterest app is up to date. So if not, then you may go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Pinterest, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. Assuming now that you have updated your Pinterest app, then you may click on Open and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Click on the three dots found on the upper right corner of the screen, go to Settings, and then go to Account Management right here. Once you're in Account Management, you may click on Delete Your Data and Account, which is usually on the very last option. And then click on Continue and choose the reason that you want. So for example, this one. Click on Send Email, and then you should open your email like this one. So once you open your email, you just simply click on Yes, delete account right here, and then that will delete your Pinterest account. Or if it requires you to um, have another steps or do more steps, then you should simply follow it. So again, that's it. That's how you can delete a Pinterest account.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.